Hi guys.
Hello guys, we're back na dito sa Carp Jam Hotel. Asa yung bag? Wait lang. Hello. Hello guys, this is our room for tonight. Biglang punta na naman dito sa Puerto Princesa. Ito yung closet. Yan, mga lagay ng stuffs. Yan. Wala kami dalang maleta today kasi biglaan lang. Then, meron silang mga cocktails, chips, and everything. And the TV. Then, their vault. And their mini bar. The mini fridge. Yan, may free water sila. Then, there's our bed. So, ayan. So, ayan. Yan ang aming ano. So, this is our bathroom. Our shower area. Then, our sink. Yan. Yan yung sink namin. Then, this is the toilet bowl. Free tissue. So, ayan. The gold mirror. The gold or bronze mirror. Yan. So, yan lang ang aming room. Dito sa Carp Jam. So, let's see. Let's see kung magsiswimming kami. I think magsiswimming kami until 9 lang daw yung pool. So, wag lang daw maingay. So, ayan. Mag-base lang ako. Then, garo na tayo sa pool. So, this is our view from our room. The veranda. Ayan. May 2 chairs. Then, the pool. So guys, mag-change lang tayo ng pang swimming. Kunin lang ako ng ano. Talan namin. Wala kami dalang maleta today. Kasi kumuha lang din kami ng laundry. So yan lang dala namin. Then, buti nakapagdala ko ng swimsuit. Yay! So I'll be back. Magsiswimsuit lang ako. Saglit. This nice swimsuit. Green. So, ayan guys. Nakapag-change na tayo ng outfit pang swimming. So, we're gonna swim. Mabilisan lang. Quick lang. Quick. So, ayan. Later update ko kayo. Bye! Ready to go sa pool. Nag-shower ka? O wala shower?
Nalabas ng towel.
Saan nakalagay? Ay pala. Kunin daw natin ang towel. So ito yung towel namin. O, diba? Cuties one. This is for the... Ay! Hulog. So, I got the towel. Dito ko na ilagay.
Select me make you play back again.
So guys, we're here na sa Puerto Princesa. Bar nila sa pool. Then may mga seats. Bar nila kung gusto niyo umorder. Ayan. Tapos meron silang seats dito. Mga upuan sa pool. Biglaan lang to guys. Pagpunta namin dito sa ano, dapat babalik na kami El Nido agad, balikan lang. So, hindi namin na-expect to. Kaya ito yung nakuha namin hotel. Kasi wala na doon sa Bamboo Suites. So, ayan. Finally, nakaswimming tayo. Kaso nga lang sa pool. Parang nasa 1.5 lang plus taxes and other charge, para nasa 400, so 1.9 lang. Pero yung morning rate nila nasa 8,000 plus, tapos nung mga lunchtime nasa 3.5 ata. So mura na to for 1.9. No breakfast na lang. Parang ano lang, parang Bamboo Suites lang, pero wala silang pool, pero may breakfast sila. Banaw, mahulog yung camera ko. December. shower dito kami sa room na to. Ayan. Sa opposite side ng room namin today. So, yan yung naging room namin ito. Walang tao. Ay, shoot, nabasa. Ay, nabasa na naman ang aking tali. So, ayan. So, ayan natin ang swimming pool nila. Tatlo lang ata kami naka-check-in dito. 2 foreigners siya kami. So, ayan. Ay, naka-short na ako. Ayun, nakapagtanggalin ng short kasi.
When I'm with you, the world feels quiet. I talk a lot, but now I fall silent. A loss for words, a strength left in my knees. I'm not the type to feel butterflies. I'm usually the one who thinks the boy's a liar. But look at me now, I can hardly breathe. That's what you do. I should have known better than to crush on you. That's what you do. Can't tell if I'm lucky or only time.
Ay, naglaban ng short sa swimming pool. Ang sakit. Sugatan ata ako sa talis. Naglaban ng short sa swimming pool. Punta tayo dun sa ating room. Yan yung may ilaw niya. Room natin yan. Punta tayo dun. Let's go. Nababasa yung handle ko. Ito yung kanilang veranda. Ayan. Yan yung pool nila. Guys, kakatapos na namin mag-swimming. Ayun. Bukas naman, kumaga. Magkikising. Lamig. So guys, titake lang ako ng shower. Then I'll be back later. Take lang tayo shower. Kasi nagbabasa dito sa room.
It was you who started all of this, promising me more with every kiss. Said all you wanted was me, and you're always thinking of me. You told me that you love me, you told me that you love me. But if you love someone, you don't tell them every now and then. If you love someone, you ain't lying about where you've been. You don't leave them hanging out like clothes on a line. Only come around on your sweet time. I'll tell you right now, that ain't how it's done. If you love someone, yeah. If you love someone, And I just won't be something that I'm not. No, I ain't gonna fake it. My heart ain't gonna take it. So
Hello guys, this is Ardito here in Cartim. Dito sa Puerto Princesa. So, wala, naantay lang natin matapos maligo si Francis. Then, gugora na tayo somewhere. So, ayan. Mag-check out na kami. It's 11:48 na. So, we need to check out ng 12 kasi may penalty sila ng 1,000 pag lagpas na ng 12. So, ayun. Let's see kung ano next stop natin. Next spot. So, ayun. Mag-ayos lang ako ng mga gamit. Tapos, gora na. Okay.
don't overthink this moment. You know how to make this right. I won't wait any longer. Feel your touch. Now my dreams are brought to life. 'Cause what we have is all I need. 'Cause all that's now is you and me. Don't ever doubt if it's what you feel. 'Cause all I know.
Guys, ipitan natin itong pinagkalatan niya. Then, kulang natin sa natin. Ito kasi ito yung bit of bit. So, check tayo. Cellphone mo na dyan? So, guys, check out kami. Check out. This is their garden and restaurant. So far. Yan, dito na tayo sa waiting area kasi i-check daw yung room. May mga ano dito. Sungka. Sino marunong sa inyo magsungka? Tapos ito yung mga so, ito yung kanilang reception area. Ito yung restaurant. So, guys, we're going out na. Kasi, gusto ko mag-check ng room. Init.
Ibato mo nga yan.
Saan?
Doon mamaya. Yan, basa doon. Wala tayong plastic.